My name is Alexandru Stancescu. I am a data analyst at btProvider and certified Tableau qualified associate. Today I'll be showing you how to do a heat map calendar in Tableau. Heat map calendars are useful for comparing data at the week and weekday level for different months and years in time. So let's begin. Let's start by creating a table with year of order date on columns. Then we drag again order date, but we want to look at the weekday level. And let's also bring onto rows our quarters. Let's also create two filters. So I want one year filter and I want one month filter. And let's also display them. And for the sake of the visualization, I want to keep only 1 year so you guys see it in action better. Good. Now I want to organize my months just like in a calendar, so on, let's say, 3 columns. For that, I will do a calculated field, which I'll call column number, which will look like this. It will be a case based on the month of my order date. And it will have this syntax. And I'll repeat this 3 times, counting the first, it's 4. And just change these values. And end the syntax. We get it as a measure, but we want it as a dimension. And put that between year and weekday. Now I want to view the weeks. I can drag order date and look at the week number. But I'm getting an effect which I don't like. So I'll modify and create a new calculation, which will be a week index. And here we will do a date part week of order date. So this actually brings me the week number, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. From which I will subtract a fixed at the month level minimum of date part week of order date and close the fixed. So this is bringing me for each month the lowest week number, the minimum week number. Let's make it a dimension, and if we change this, we get what we want, a calendar. Let's hide the week. And now let's drag order date onto text and select the day. Good. Now we just need to highlight it, so color it based on something. Let's select profit, put it onto color. Let's change the mark to a square. And I actually like this color scheme from red to black. And now we get to see our 2016, and we can easily find the days in which we had low profit. We can also compare. So let's say we can select 2015 and only January. Then we compare the 2 months. And we can also add something else. We can right click our day from the labels and show highlighter. So if I want to view the 28th, I can highlight it, focus only on that, and the rest pans back. That's how you do a quick heat map calendar in Tableau. If you have any other questions, please feel free to ask us. Thank you for your time.